Today on Taste Test, we are trying some iconic foods brought to us by the American Midwest. I've spent a little bit of time in the Midwest. I went to college there. Victoria, how about you?
I grew up in St. Louis, Missouri.
Nice.
You visit the Midwest a lot, right?
I do. I'm from Arizona, so
Okay.
I don't claim the Midwest as home, but I go to Minnesota every summer, so I do feel
Okay.
like a piece of my heart belongs there.
What else are you expecting or thinking? Toasted raviolis
Yeah,
better be there.
definitely.
That's the biggest thing.
There's gotta be hot dish, right, Charlie? But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Food Network and click the bell below to get notified when we upload new episodes.
What's under it? Yes.
It looks like chicken pot pie.
It does.
This is hot dish.
Oh, this is good.
I dig it.
I could totally get down
Ooh.
with a hot dish. This is great.
Let's read about this hot dish.
Okay.
Hot dish is a casserole that typically contains a starch, a meat, and a vegetable mixed with canned soup,
It originates in the upper Midwest region of the United States.
particularly in Minnesota, South Dakota, Wisconsin, and North Dakota. Cooked in a single baking dish and served hot per its name.
It commonly appears at communal gatherings, such as family reunions, potlucks, and church suppers.
This feels like exactly what my grandma would make.
Basically, you can make a hot dish out of anything. This variation is essentially a chicken pot pie, and it's delicious.
Yes.
Ooh, chili.
Chili.
Yum.
Oh
That's
no. Is this like is this the Cincinnati chili?
It's basically just chili over spaghetti, I think.
Oh.
I can't believe I've never had this.
Cincinnati-style chili is a Mediterranean spiced meat sauce.
Used for topping spaghetti.
Ingredients include ground beef, tomato paste, spices such as cinnamon, nutmeg.
that's where the sweet-
allspice, clove, cumin, chili powder, etc. And sometimes it even includes dark chocolate,
Oh.
which amazing.
It's good.
What do you think?
I'm not so into this.
You don't like it?
I like chili. I like spaghetti.
Yeah.
I like them separate. And I don't know if I'm into the sweetness of the chili.
I want to eat chili or I want to eat spaghetti. I don't want to eat chili on top of spaghetti. But I actually like the sweeter chili more than I thought I would, so.
What is
I
this?
have no idea, but they seem fried, they seem crispy. There is this beautiful sauce that is plentiful here on this plate.
You want to read? Oh my gosh, these are so good.
Okay.
Cheese curds are made from fresh milk in the process of creating cheese when bacterial culture and rennet are added to clot the milk.
After the milk clots, it is then cut into cubes. The result is a mixture of whey and curd,
This mixture is then cooked and pressed to release the whey from the curd,
creating the final product of cheese curd.
sometimes referred to as squeaky cheese.
I've heard of that.
Deep fried cheese curds are often found at carnivals and fairs
They can be served with ketchup, marinara sauce, or ranch dressing.
and are strongly associated with the state of Wisconsin. I'm confused. So when you bite into it, it's supposed to squeak, or when you...
Yeah, I don't think it's the fried. You can't hear it as much with the fried. When it's fresh, it sounds like, you know, like those toys when it's like you
Yeah.
squeaky. That's exactly what it sounds like when you eat it. It's bizarre.
Okay, I don't know where in the Midwest this originates from.
St. Louis, baby.
How do you know this?
I did a lot of traveling for work, and I really ate my way through the United States.
Specifically the Midwest, I see.
People
Okay.
are die-hard about these in St. Louis. Like, it is a way of
Okay.
life.
Yeah, really, if you don't know toasted raviolis, everyone in Missouri is obsessed. They talk
Let's
T-ravs is what they call them.
Toasted ravioli or breaded deep-fried ravioli is an appetizer created and popularized in St. Louis, Missouri.
Most accounts of the first toasted ravioli can be traced to the Italian neighborhood known as the Hill.
Generally consists of some type of meat ravioli, breaded and deep-fried until the pasta shell becomes slightly crisp and golden brown, which we have here. And it's served with marinara sauce for dipping. They just look like little beautiful pillows. Like,
Yeah.
I just want to sleep on them.
They're perfectly golden.
They're so cute.
They're
Oh
just
my
like that
gosh.
perfect shade of sort of like
Oh my
dark
gosh.
golden.
I love the crispiness too.
I'm like surprised they're not more popular outside the Midwest because it's like
Yeah, it's a
just-
great concept.
it's deep fried.
Yeah.
Ooh, gooey's.
Gooey butter cake.
There it goes.
I have been dying to eat this for like 2 years.
Well, here we go. This is your moment. Gooey butter cake is a type of cake traditionally made in the city of St. Louis, Missouri.
It is a flat and dense cake made with flour, butter, sugar, and eggs.
Typically near an inch tall, and dusted with powdered sugar.
Oh man,
It's so good.
it's so good.
And it lives up to his name. It's gooey.
Unbelievable. St. Louis, thank you for all of your contributions to the world of food.
It's like the mix of a perfect sugar cookie
Yes.
and frosting together, like not frosting on top of the cookie, but like somehow mixed together and then like just cooked until it's
Baked.
like lightly firm, yes, and
It's
then
like
it melts in your mouth.
little crust. I
Yeah.
just love the little crust.
Again, another thing that I don't know why it's not more popular. I didn't know about gooey butter cake
Yeah.
until I moved to Missouri.
Bringing this Midwest favorite right here to Food Network in Chelsea Market for a bite. This has really made my whole week.
But yeah, it made me a little sentimental. It kind of made me miss Missouri.
Yeah.
So yeah, very nostalgic. This was so fun. I loved this. So thank you guys so much for watching and join us next time on Taste Test.
Bye.
If you want to see more episodes of Taste Test, click here. And if you want to subscribe to Food Network, click here. You know you want to.